Montana has a deposit return rule with 2 different clocks, and which one applies depends on whether you are keeping any of the money. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. If you are making deductions from the security deposit, you have 30 days to return the balance with an itemization. If you are making no deductions at all, you have only 10 days. Miss that shorter window and you are exposed. Alongside that, Montana runs non-payment on a 3-day pay or quit notice, requires 24 hours notice before entry, and caps what a tenant may spend under repair and deduct. In the Montana results, the state court and legal aid pages rank on authority, not depth. One is under 400 words. The only page indexing forms with real Montana law is a template site covering lease agreements only. Our hub covers the whole set. 12 fillable Montana documents with a decision path telling you whether you need a 3-day pay or quit, a cure or quit, an unconditional quit, or a non-renewal. At tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com, we run credit, criminal and eviction reports same day. No monthly fees. Get your free Montana forms and screen your next tenant at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.